I have seen so-called intellectuals put out. A city where thousands are struggling and dying and crematoriums are flooded with dead bodies. Few kilometers away, there is a bubble where sport is going on. Seems like a different universe. Good point, Kuntal. Let's put it this way. Let's put it this way. A few kilometers from the crematorium, there is also a factory which is generating electricity. There is a hospital which is saving lives. There is a media industry which is employing some 500, 600,000 people. You are not saying that that's wrong. You are saying sport is wrong. For once, and this you are calling this a dystopia. I agree. For once, come out of that notion that sport is actually entertainment. These people who are working there in that bubble, Kushan, or rather Kuntal, these people also include groundsmen. Even if it's one, has a family of four people saved. A technical staff, a scorer, that a fellow who runs the electronic scoreboard, somebody who mows the grass, somebody who's pushing the roller, somebody who has provided the bus driver who has brought these teams, somebody who has cleaned the ground every day after the game. So you are actually talking about some thousand people there, right? And multiply it into 4, that is the notion in our country. So you're talking about 10,000 people. You know what, Kuntal? These 10,000 people are not in that crematorium or on the road getting impacted by COVID because that bubble is going on. Believe me, if this was treat it as a factory, treat it as an economic enterprise. I don't care who wins, loses. Believe me, to hell with winning, losing. To hell with it. I don't care. What I do care is that one person saving his job, that one mother being protected by his son because he works as a groundsman or somehow in that and earns 5,000 rupees. For me, that is not a dystopia. You and I sitting in our houses and typing out Twitter messages is a dystopia that we will never understand what this man is thinking. We will never understand what it takes to go and put that nail and put that signage at Eden Gardens or the Arun Jaitley Stadium or whichever stadium in the world and earn my 2,000 rupees paycheck at the end of the day, go home and put food into the mouth of my child. And then you stop that. That is an equally big dystopia. That is an equally big crime against humanity. You want to stop the IPL? Stop it. Stop it for heaven's sake. But for once, the several 100,000 people who are part of the IPL ecosystem, tell me how they will live. Virat Kohli doesn't need an IPL and MS Dhoni doesn't give a damn. But tell me about those several 100,000 people and then come and criticize the tournament. And as far as your own opinion is concerned, don't watch it. You know what an opinion is? Once my supervisor has told me, it's like an asshole. Everyone has one. Anyone who wants to take pot shots, for God's sake, enough. This is hypocritical to say the least. It is like each one of us growing up would go to the loo and watch porn. It is like that. Do not take pot shots at the IPL because the IPL has nothing to do with entertainment as far as this forum is concerned. Jaidev Unadkat is not dancing there. He is plying his trade. आज तो मैं हॉस्पिटल का डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता यार. डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता. डॉक्टर्स तो आज भगवान है, एक्चुअली हैं. पैरामेडिक्स भगवान है. नहीं तो नहीं बन सकता मैं. मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है. तो मैं क्या करूं? मर जाऊं. कुशान क्या करे? मर जाए. He has a mother to feed. He has in-laws to feed. He has people to take care at home. करेगा क्या? रास्ते में आ जाएगा. नौकरी के लिए घूमेगा और कोविड इन्फेक्शन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा. घर में जाके बीवी को भी देगा, माँ को भी देगा. क्या करेगा संजीव? संजीव को आता तो यही है. त्रिशा को आता तो यही है. तो क्या करें हम लोग? ये जो स्पोर्ट्स फ्रेटर्निटी है ना, स्पोर्ट्स मीडिया इंडस्ट्री सर, हाँ, ये हम क्या करें? ये सारे लोग जो हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं, हम क्या करें? छोड़ दे, मर जाएं? चाहिए क्या हमको? ये जो पॉलिटिकल रैलीज हो रहे थे, एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, आपने कवर किया नहीं किया? सारे जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं कवर किया ना आपने? महीने ऑन एंड आपने कवर किया उसको. आपका सारे जर्नलिस्ट ने कवर किया उसको. क्यों किया? काम है ना. ये तो हमारा काम है सर. क्यों छीन रहे हो हमारा काम? हमें भी बचने दो ना. हमारे लिए इकोनॉमिक एंटरप्राइज है। आज मैं चलो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म बोल रहा हूं, मैंने 10 रुपया दिया है, 10 रुपया दिया है। आईपीएल छीन लो मेरे से, नौकरी छीन लो मेरे से, मैं वो 10 रुपया नहीं दे पाऊंगा। वो 10 रुपया एक जीवन बचाएगा, बचाएगा। और अगर क्यूमुलेटिवली हम लोगों ने 100 लाइफ बचाया है तो कुछ तो किया है। वो 3,523 people dead are not numbers, they are people, they are families, someone's brother, someone's mother, someone's father. एक लाइफ भी बचा लिया ना, it's an human contribution to humanity. I'll end this debate saying, for us, the IPL is nothing to do with entertainment at this point in time. It is not razzmatazz, it is not a festival, it is not India ka tehwar. It is about saving an economic ecosystem from collapsing and putting 200,000 more people on the road. You don't want to agree, you have every reason to disagree. For God's sake, even if one livelihood saved, do not come and take that livelihood away. Thanks very much for watching.